understood.
Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear.
We were moving the mountains long before we knew we could. There can be miracles when you believe.
Though hope is frail, it's hard to kill.
Who knows what miracles you can achieve?